Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what I consider the best car stereo Bluetooth touchscreen receiver available right now. The Double DIN car stereo from Corehan. This sleek 7-inch multimedia receiver is designed to completely upgrade your driving experience with modern features like wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Bluetooth, and more, all packed into one device. Let's start with connectivity. This unit eliminates the hassle of plugging in your phone every time you get in the car. With seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can instantly access navigation, calls, texts, and your favorite music just by connecting your smartphone. It's all fully integrated with Siri or Google Assistant, so you can control it all with your voice while keeping your eyes on the road. Next, let's talk audio performance. At the heart of this stereo is an advanced DSP chip with a 10-band equalizer. That means you get clear, customizable sound that you can fine-tune for your car's setup. Whether you're running a subwoofer, additional speakers, or just want crisp stereo sound, this system has dual-channel outputs, subwoofer support, and even dual video outputs. There's also a backup camera input, so you can enhance your vehicle's safety and convenience without extra hassle. The display is another standout feature. A 7-inch HD IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels brings your media to life with bright, vivid colors. It's designed to be visible in all lighting conditions, from bright daylight to night driving, so you'll never have to squint or struggle to see your navigation or media controls. Startup is instant the moment you start your car. No waiting for the system to boot up, it's ready when you are. Bluetooth comes built-in as well, giving you reliable hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, so you can keep your hands on the wheel while still enjoying your music or answering calls safely. Another highlight is versatility. The stereo supports wireless mirror link, meaning you can share your smartphone screen with your passengers using AirPlay or Miracast. And if you prefer physical media, the front panel includes an AUX input, SD card slot, and USB port. This makes it easy to connect just about any device or media storage you already own. To sum it up, this Corehan Double DIN car stereo blends premium connectivity, exceptional audio quality, a stunning touchscreen, and versatile media options into one package. It's perfect for drivers who want modern features, convenience, and performance without spending a fortune. If you're looking for the best car stereo Bluetooth touchscreen receiver, this is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more deep dives into the latest tech and gadgets.